kind of just skimmed through a few things that I wanted to relook at from different chapters. Today's final is cumulative. I can never say that word. You guys probably know what that means, but in case you're younger or you just don't know, basically that just means that I'm gonna be tested on literally everything from the semester. The good thing is that I definitely have been preparing throughout the semester, so I'm not like completely stressed out, but I just know it's gonna be a lot. Also, today's final is actually optional, so I really don't have to stress that much about it. It's not something that I have to pass in order to pass the class or anything like that. I'm basically gonna try hard on it, but I'm not gonna like kill myself over anything. Another thing I want to do is just to check the group me for that class. Let's see what they're saying about the exam. They're saying that it's basically multiple choice, true and false, and matching, and honestly literally like exam 3. I guess based off of what everybody was saying, it really shouldn't be that bad. I'm probably just gonna get it over with literally like in a few minutes. I just honestly don't want to be stressing about this all the way until when it's due, so I'm just gonna go ahead, get it over with. I'm just literally so fed up with finals in general. I'm literally shivering right now even though all my windows are closed. I just finished my final. It was 30 questions for fashion merchandising. I do need to wait to get my score back just because some of the questions were like fill in the blank, so I'm assuming she has to go back and like check those. I definitely do feel a lot better now. I just have one more final tomorrow and then that's it, and then I could just focus on Vlogmas because my videos this week I feel like have not been good. There's so many like Christmas or like winter themed videos that I've been wanting to film, but this week has honestly been so busy with finals. That's pretty much my update for my exam or whatnot. Tomorrow is actually my big's birthday, you guys, and I'm filming this on, what day is it today actually? I'm currently filming this video on December 9th, and tomorrow, December 10th, is actually my big's birthday. I did get her a little gift, but I think tomorrow I need to stop by to get her a gift card as well. I actually want to show you guys what I got her. Let me get up to show you guys that, and I think after that I'm gonna bake some cookies just so I could have them while I edit today's Vlogmas. This is what I mean by like a complete mess on this side of the room. I had pulled out like all my Christmas decorations from last year, and then everything in like the plastic bags is like from this year. But this is actually the gift I'm getting for my big. Packaging is from Target, and I believe I showed you guys this in my Target Christmas shopping vlog. The gift that I'm getting her is this set of 4 Fenty Beauty lip glosses. Literally all of these colors are so pretty, and I just feel like they would look so good on her. And on top of that, I just love this whole like Fenty Beauty brand. These are all so pretty. There's Ruby Milk, Cake Shake, Taffy Teas, and Baby Brew. I honestly wanted one of these for myself. It's from Sephora, but I just don't think I could pull off all these colors anymore. I feel like now either I just wear clear lip gloss or like neutral lip glosses. If I could find it online, I'll definitely link it in the description. And I could also link like this little bag for you guys if I find it as well. I feel so dumb now because I just realized that I don't think I have to bake these cookies. I think they actually come like already ready. I don't know why I thought I had to bake these. I guess we'll find out right now when I open them. I'm gonna head to the kitchen to open this box, and in case you're interested in trying these out, they're actually from Target. These are actually the Christmas cookies. Honestly, they're so cute. I really love like how they're shaped, but as you could tell, they definitely look a lot smaller than the box. I guess I just assumed that I was gonna bake these. Honestly, now thinking about it, I don't know why, since these were not in like a refrigerated area. But the point is, these are so cute. I love this shape right here. I think now I'm just gonna go ahead and eat these while I edit today's Vlogmas. Vlogmas Day 8 is finally exporting. It's honestly only a 5-minute video, but honestly I think it's okay just because of finals. I'm just gonna give it a few more minutes and then I'm gonna upload it to YouTube. Also, I'm slowly but surely receiving my Black Friday and Cyber Monday packages. Honestly, I don't even remember what I ordered, but I know I ordered some things from Glossier and also a few items from Urban, and I know for a fact that I got items from other places as well, so I'm still waiting on those. I'm probably still gonna do a little Black Friday Cyber Monday haul, but it's obviously technically gonna go up way later just because I haven't gotten the other items. I think I'm gonna go ahead and open up these packages. I might not show you guys what I get just because I don't know, I just feel like that'll take away the purpose of the video, so I'm probably not going to show you guys, but I still want to go ahead and open these up just because like I'm honestly really excited. Just uploaded the video not too long ago. Honestly, I had no clue what to do for the thumbnail since I didn't really get any photos that day, so I just kind of worked with what I had. Today's video is going up the day after, so make sure you check that one out. I really recommend this one, especially if you're like looking for some Christmas candles. I feel like I showed you guys some really good Christmas candles that are more like on the minimal side, so yeah, definitely check that video out. My boyfriend is also in that video, so I don't post about him a whole lot on my social media platforms. If you want some more boyfriend content, I guess, if you want to call it that, again, go watch that video.